Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 2 and we are learning unit number 7 and its title is The Tulip Festival. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn about reading and comprehension skill. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned that how we can interact with the text to locate specific factual information. I hope you remember it. If you were not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn more about it. Interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information to answer simple questions in a word or a two. So my dear students and my dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 13, O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you people and tribes that you may know one another. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that how Allah Almighty has created us. Allah Almighty has created us as male and female. And also he divided us into tribes that we should be familiar to each other. We should know each other. Okay, just for that. Otherwise, all humans beings are, all mankind are equal to each other. Okay, just Allah Almighty has divided us so that we should interact with each other and we should be familiar. We should know each other. Got it? So pre-reading question is for you. What do you know about the Tulip Festival in Kashmir? Do you know about the Tulip Festival in Kashmir? If you have any information, share it with your teacher. Welcome back. I hope you have shared and you got some information. What is a Tulip Festival in Kashmir? So let's see, we are going to start our, yes. Look there, wow, so beautiful flower is there, tulip flower. Okay, now we are going to read that. Every year, the Tulip Festival is celebrated in Srinagar, Kashmir. Okay, every year, the Tulip Festival, my dear students, Tulip Festival is related to the flowers. Okay, tulip flowers. So it is being celebrated in Kashmir, Srinagar, every year. Then let's see, festival. What is the word festival mean? A day or period of celebration. Okay, festival mean any period, any day of celebration that is being celebrated on local level or on national level. That is called festival. So tulip is the name of a flower. Okay, and this is festival mean a day or a period of celebration. So Tulip Festival means the festival of flowers. Got it? Next, in the tulip garden, 1.5 million plants are planted. So they settle, my dear students, Kashmiri people settle a tulip garden and they plant over there 1.5 million plants. Which plants? Plants are 1.5 million plants of tulip flower. Okay, the pretty garden spreads over 30 hectares. Yes, the pretty garden spreads over 30 hectares means on a large area you can see just tulip garden. Okay, they every year they plant these flowers. Okay, the Tulip Festival is held at the beginning of spring in Srinagar between March and May. So yes, which is the month of this festival? Yes, between the March and May, means March, April and May. Is it clear? It is the spring season is being celebrated in Kashmir, and that's in Kashmir, the Kashmiri people celebrate Tulip Festival. That this is a flower name and they also plant that festival on a large area. Okay, so and it looks so beautiful, my dear students. You can also see in images also, you can see that different colors of flowers are there and it is looking so beautiful and fascinating to the eyes. Okay. So now it's reading time. We are moving towards an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to ask short questions and students will answer in a word or two. For example, where is Tulip Festival celebrated? How many plants are planted in the garden? In which season Tulip Festival began? All these questions already I have discussed during my lecture, my dear students. So, my dear teacher, you will say to students to read the text again that we have read. Okay, we have read till here. So you can read it again, and after reading, so you have to put question and students will answer of these questions. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Excellent students you are, mashallah. So now you have to do individual activity. Question number 2 is there. Where is the Tulip Festival held? When is the Tulip Festival celebrated? Every year. So 2 questions we have, because that text we have read. From these texts we have selected 2 questions. So you have to answer these 2 questions in your notebook as a classwork. So pause the video and perform that. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Good job. So what's your homework? You have to do question number 2, A and B, page 57 on your notebooks. These questions again you have to write in your notebook from your home. So what we have learned? We have learned interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information to answer simple short questions in a word or a two. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form. And we have covered up our SLO, interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information to answer simple questions in word or two. So my dear students, we have done it. We have cleared our this SLO. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. We will meet soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.